Okay, so now we are going towards the last part of the history. Let us finish this today. Now, timeline. What happened in 1905? The partition of Bengal happened. Earlier, Bangladesh was also a part of West Bengal. Okay, and then in 1905, politically, to make to make it smarter, the partition of Bengal happened. The British announced the division of Bengal into two parts. Cause means what was the reason of this? The following were the cause behind the partition of Bengal. The British declared that the Bengal province was too large and would be divided to make administration easier and convenient. The explanation which they gave, okay, it was done just because of politics, but the explanation they said that they did it so that they could control it properly. The actual purpose was the British policy of divide and rule. As we know, they always used to divide and rule. They wanted to divide the Hindu and the Muslim, and then they wanted to rule. Because if we are united, they could not they could not control us so easily. They did not want the Hindus and Muslim in Bengal to unite against their unjust rule. So if it is divided, nobody would be able to raise war against the British. This was the actual cause. The first one is the cause told by the Britishers, then the next one is the actual cause. Effect. What was the effect of this? Many Indian leaders strongly opposed the partition of Bengal. They felt the need to protest more effectively and therefore came up the idea of Swadeshi and boycott movement. Swadeshi, as I said, that this is our country, so everything should be Swadeshi. We will follow our own rule, right? A boycott movement means we will not allow the foreign things. We started all this so that we can show our protest against the British. Then what happened in 1905 and 08? Swadeshi and boycott movement started full fledged. The Swadeshi and boycott movement continued for 3 years to protest against the partition of Bengal. Swadeshi, the movement supported the use of goods manufactured by Indians, means our own. Boycott means not using the things of the Britishers. The following are the three aspects of the movement. So boycott movement e ki kora hoto? National leaders appealed to Indians to boycott or stop using goods made in England and other parts of Europe. They encouraged people to give up British job. If you are doing any government job under British, they said that don't do it, don't serve them. Titles, if they have given any titles or Nobel Prize, don't take it. And not to go to British schools and colleges, means we should do only our own local products, local things. British goods were publicly burned and Vande Matram became the song to unite people against the partition. So all were against this. The leaders were against the decision of partition. Result, what happened? Many textile mills, textile means where we make the clothes, kapor bananor factory, handloom units and soap and matchbox factories were opened in Bengal to produce goods to meet the need of the Indian people. মানে নিজেদেরই আমরা যেন জিনিস কিনি, তাই জন্য ইন্ডিয়ানরা ইন্ডিয়ান ফ্যাক্টরি খুললো যাতে আমরা বিদেশি প্রোডাক্টস না কিনি। সো 1905 কি হলো? beginning of armed revolution by Indian. Armed মানে we will use bullets, we will use cannons, মানে গুলি বন্দুক এগুলো ইউজ করাকে armed বলা হয়। Earlier the revolution, the protest was peaceful, maybe with just saying the slogans or writing something, but now in 1905 they started fighting with the bullets and the cannons. So British efforts to partition Bengal convinced many Indians that the British Raj would not give up control of India easily. Thus many revolutionary groups were formed to different part of the of these groups took up arms means gun, to fight against the British, and many willingly sacrificed their lives to gain independence. Many people had to die. Bhagat Singh died, Mangal Pandey died. You all know all these things, right? So British and many willingly sacrificed their lives to gain independence. Important revolutionaries. So if name comes, which names will be there? Khudiram Bose, Aurobindo Ghosh, then Jyotindranath. So all these are Prafulla Chandra. So all these names are there from Bengal. They all are Bengalis. Annulment of partition of Bengal. As a result of mass protest by Indians, the British Indian government announced the annulment means reverse. They will not do it. In 1911, the decision of 1905 was taken back. In this year, the seat of the central government was also shifted from Calcutta to Delhi. Finally, Delhi became the main capital. Okay, earlier it was in Kolkata. 1905 to 1906, what happened? Foundation of the Home Rule Leagues. So another group like INC, like the Congress Party, another group was there. See, Indian national leaders supported the British during World War One. So the national INC, they have supported, so that they wanted the freedom. But then what happened? They hoped that the Raj would accept their demand for self-government. They helped because they thought that after the war, Britishers will go away from here. But that did not happen. However, many leaders soon realized that the British had no intention of losing control over India. Leaders such as Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Annie Besant started the two Home Rule Leagues. So they started another party. Leaders were Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Annie Besant. If question comes, who were the leader of Home Rule Leagues? So they are the leaders. Aim ki chilo? Why they have started this group? The group was started. The leagues tried to convince all Indians about the need for freedom from British oppression. Oppression means দাবানো। ব্রিটিশার্সরা আমাদের কী করতো? দাবিয়ে রাখতো। So ওটা থেকে বেরোনো, that was the main aim. Second, self rule by the Indians. We wanted our self rule. What was the slogan given by Tilak? Raised the slogan, Swaraj is my birthright and I will have it. So question যদি আসে কি স্লোগান দিয়েছিল বাল গঙ্গাধর তিলক, তখন বলবি Swaraj is my birthright and I will have it. हिंदीते बोलेছিল स्वराज मेरा जन्मसिद्ध अधिकार है और मैं इसे लेकर रहूँगा, এটা বলেছিল। Here you can see a map and then some words are there, you can just go through that. The violet box. Zoom in means let's see. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan established the Muhammad Anglo-Oriental College in Aligarh, which is now known as Aligarh Muslim University. এটা এখনো আছে Muslim University. Okay, and then here you can see the reference. Yellow দিয়ে যেগুলো কালার করা, that is British territory, মানে অলরেডি ব্রিটিশার্সরা এগুলোর উপরে কন্ট্রোল করে নিয়েছে। And the white parts are, at that time it was not controlled by the Britishers. So this portion you can just go through. আর এই দাগটা কি? প্রেজেন্ট এক্সটার্নাল বাউন্ডারি অফ ইন্ডিয়া, মানে এখন ইন্ডিয়া কতটুকু আছে। অ্যান্ড দ্যাট টাইম ইন্ডিয়া ওয়াজ মোর। এই দেখ বাইরে এদিকে ইন্ডাস, ঝেলাম, এগুলো এখন পাকিস্তানে চলে গেছে, আগে এগুলো সব ইন্ডিয়ার পার্ট ছিল। এই যে দাগ দেওয়া, দ্যাট ইজ ইন্টারন্যাশনাল বাউন্ডারি অফ ইন্ডিয়া। এই যে অরেঞ্জ কালারের যেটা ইন্ডিয়ার ম্যাপ, ওটা এখন। আগে রাজস্থান এই পাশের পার্ট অনেকটাই ইন্ডিয়ার ছিল, যেগুলো এখন পাকিস্তানে চলে গেছে, বাংলাদেশে চলে গেছে। সো ইন্ডিয়ার অনেকটা পার্টি ওদের কাছে চলে গেছে।